Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If YouTube is not showing in the App Store on your iPhone, don't worry, this usually happens due to a few simple settings or region issues. First, check your internet connection, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly, then try searching again. Next, restart the App Store by closing it completely and reopening it. Sometimes it just needs a refresh. If YouTube still doesn't appear, check your App Store region, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then Media and Purchases, and make sure your country is set correctly. If the region is restricted or incorrect, some apps like YouTube may not appear. Another reason could be screen time restrictions. You can go to Settings, open Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure app downloads are allowed. You can also try signing out and signing back into your Apple ID in Media and Purchases because account glitches can hide apps. Finally, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version because older versions may have App Store bugs. And that's it. That's how you can fix YouTube not showing in the App Store and get it back again. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out. And I'll see you next time.